Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Revolut virtual card in shop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all you have to do is simply exit your Revolut and simply activate your virtual card. So for that matter, once you have accessed your particular Revolut right over here, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on this option of cards on top. Once you've accessed the cards option on top, you will be able to see this option of get card option. All you have to do is tap on this get card. Now go ahead, simply choose the virtual card option in the bottom, tap on it. Once you tap on the virtual card option, first of all you have to activate the card. Once you are done doing the activation, all you have to do is again tap on the card of yours, and in the bottom section you will be able to see this add to your default wallet option. If it's iOS, of course, naturally you will find this option of Apple Wallet, but if it's Android and you have your default wallet set up on your account, you will be able to access the Google Wallet for you. All you have to do is tap on that option, and upon doing that, your wallet will simply automatically detect all of the information accordingly and simply set up your account right there in your default wallet. So whenever you go any of the shops, any of the marketplace, all you have to do is simply hold your device near the reader, as it has told you ask over here, and you will be able to do the transaction with your Revolut virtual card. You have to make sure that your phone does support the NFC function. If it does, then you will be able to pay it just like that over here. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.